Okay, well, I just got a package from Amazon. It's been a while since I've been working on getting this particular baby. I ended up spending a lot of time studying very carefully. I ordered one of these similar items quite some time ago, and it was definitely the wrong thing to have for what I'm doing. So I spent a lot of time on YouTube and reviewed lots of different makes, and it came down to the point where it wasn't really worth the aggravation of spending $150 on one of these when the name brand provided a lot more longevity. And this particular package has extra jaws in it that are required. I would have had to purchase the extra jaws to do salt and pepper mills. So here it is. And I finally have a proper wood turning chuck for my lathe. It has something called pin jaws. It's these ones here, and they go on the inside of a pepper mill, and these ones go on the outside, and you need both. So I finally got the equipment I need for the lathe, and I still need a couple of chisels. I got this parting chisel, but it's massively different when compared with the other ones that I've got. Like, look at the difference in size. These other ones are kind of like a starter's kit, but they're really not going to take me very far. So eventually I have to buy about a half a dozen better lathe chisels. But I'm getting there. So here's the update for today.